Welcome to the project Listen, funded by the European Union through the CERV programme. What is the Listen project? Listen is the acronym of Learning and Inclusion for Sustainable Community Engagement. The project aims at increasing the capacity of small community organisations, movements, grassroots, associations, and collectives in order to daily apply participatory work methodologies and bottom-up approaches to actively engage community members, focusing on socially excluded or at risk of social exclusion citizens. The Listen project involves 4 main countries: Greece, Italy, Bulgaria, and Portugal. The Greek coordinator is the Southeast European Research Centre. From Greece, the first partner country is Photodendra Light Trees. The Italian partner is Oriel Association. The Bulgarian partner is the Policy and Citizens Observatory, Migration, Digitalisation, Climate, and the Portuguese partner is Contextos. Throughout the project cycle, the partnering organisations, which are all highly experienced in participatory work, bottom-up and inclusive, community organising, will work on the main objectives of Listen 1. Community mapping for needs understanding. 2. Development of knowledge, guidance, mentoring and supporting. 3. Co-design, implementation and evaluation of NGOs from civic society. 4. Enhancement of engagement of community members. The project started in 2024 and will end up in 2026, and it's mostly made of 6 different phases in its timeline. The first phase is the local needs assessment and community consultations. The second one is the transnational knowledge sharing, then the local capacity buildings in the different countries involved. Next stage is the virtual art exhibition on community engagement, gathering activists and community members from different countries, then the local festivals on community engagement to be organised within the community. And the last phase of the project timeline is the policy roundtable and participatory research. Listen is already started. Are you ready to hear voices of communities and their needs? You can follow our project on the official website, which is http://listenproject.eu/ and the official Instagram profile, which is @the Listen Project.